Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark up a web page on iPhone. So first, for example, you're searching something, so for example, Apple. Then choose the website and then tap there and then scroll down and look for markup. So tap markup and now you choose the pen and then just you can just start doodling or mark up anything. And to change color, tap there and change the color, tap the color. So you can choose the pen and the pencil and the eraser from the menu there. And to save, tap done and then save file to, and then it will save as PDF. Then choose where you want to save this file and then on the top right corner tap on save, and that's it. So thank you for watching.